Percents. It's January 11th, 2021. All right, so a percent, if we take a look over here, it is a rate in which the first term is compared to 100. So if we look over here, we have a 100s chart, meaning we have 100 of these little squares. Each of these rows are 10. Each of these columns are 10. So we're going to figure out what fraction is shaded. So what fraction is shaded? So we have one row, so that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 50 of these squares are shaded. So we're going to put 50 over, okay, so that's 50. Then we have 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So there's 50 left because there's a 100 square. So it's out of 100. Now, 50 out of 100, let's take a look. If we do 50 divided by 100, or if we take this as a percent, our decimal would be 0 and 5 tenths, or you can do 0 and 50 hundredths. So do you see how I have that 50 hundredths? 0.50, so you read that as 50 hundredths. Look at this, 50 hundredths, 50 hundredths. You read them the same way. Now the percent, if you get 50 out of 100 on a test, yeah, well, you failed, and that would be a 50%. So 50%. All right, now, if you take a look at this next one, we're going to do the same thing. What is the percent that's shaded? So we have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So we have 28 shaded, and we know that this is a 100 grid, so that means there's 100 squares. Same thing like we did on this side over here. The decimal, we are going to have it as a decimal as 0.28 or 28 hundredths. It's literally how you read the fraction, 28 hundredths, 28 hundredths. The fraction and the decimal are read the same way. That's why they're the same thing. Now the percent, if you get 28 out of 100, yeah, you got 28%. That's not very good. That's worse than over here. So you want more squares to be a higher percentage. All right, and that's going to be it for our percents sneak peek.